That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here.
Hello and welcome to our Diwali special bulletin. I'm your host Namita, and from the whole team of 2020 Stars, we wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. We have a special guest with us today, but before we speak to her, she wants to wish you all.
हाय दिस इज रीना पंड्या। मेरे सभी 2020 स्टार्स के व्यूअर्स को मेरी तरफ से दिवाली की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं। दिवाली का त्योहार दिल से मनाइए और बिना पटाखों के मनाइए।
Yes, Bollywood and South Indian star Jeenal Pandya is with us. She is a supermodel and Femina Miss India finalist as well. So let's speak with her. But before we start, if you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. And you can also watch this bulletin on timestars.com. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का bulletin and let's have a look at the headlines first. Biden can overturn Trump's H-1B visa restrictions with executive orders. Pfizer and BioNTech announced vaccine candidate against COVID-19 achieved success in first interim analysis from phase 3 study. NDA wins in Bihar, so near yet so far for Tejasvi Yadav. Mahagathbandhan gets just 0.03% votes, less than NDA in Bihar elections. IPL 2020 comes to an end after 2 months of non-stop action, with Mumbai Indians crowned champions for the second time in a row. And exclusive conversation with Jeenal Pandya. She speaks about her upcoming film Amrapali with Sanjay Dutt and why his health concerns the whole team. आज का शो होने वाला है दिवाली की तरह धमाकेदार, क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ है सिर्फ जीनल नहीं, 2 और स्पेशल गेस्ट भी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स जंप इनटू द फन एंड धमाकेदार कॉन्वर्सेशन. Welcome all of you to 2020 Stars, and this is our Happy Diwali special interview, and I have a gift for you. Not 1, not 2, but 3. One straight from India, one from New Jersey, and one from our very own Atlanta. As you can see, all of them. And first, I would like to invite Mr. Ved Bhatia, executive producer of 2020 Stars. You must know him. अभी तक आपने उनका सिर्फ चेहरा देखा है. Now he is here in flesh. So Ved ji, welcome to 2020 Stars, and I wish you happy Diwali.
Thank you. And मैं अपने सारे 2020 Stars के दर्शकों को धनतेरस और दिवाली की बधाई देना चाहता हूं, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का हमारे शो में आने का. और मेरे दोस्त मिस्टर भरत जी, जिन्होंने आज का इवेंट जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, मेरे साथ हैं, तो उनको भी आपके लिए कुछ कहना है.
वैद जी, धन्यवाद आपका, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सबसे पहले तो टाइम स्टार के सारे दर्शकों को भरत कुरडिया का सादर प्रणाम. धनतेरस मुबारक हो. भगवान करे आपके यहाँ सभी के यहाँ लक्ष्मी जी का आगमन जल्द से जल्द हो और ओवरफ्लो होके मेरे पास आवे, ऐसी मैं शुभकामना आप सभी को देता हूँ. और दूसरी बात रही, आज जैसे नमिता जी ने कहा, वैसे आज मैं बहुत ही भाग्यशाली अपने आप को समझ रहा हूँ कि धनतेरस के दिन 3 महान स्टार के साथ मैं आज यहाँ बैठा हूँ. एक तो है हमारी एंकर नमिता जी, जो कि बहुत ही आउटस्टैंडिंग एंकर है पूरे यूएसए की. एक वेद भाटिया जी, जो कि टाइम स्टार्स के मालिक है और टाइम की तरह चलते हैं हमेशा, और स्टार तो है ही वो. और उनके टाइम स्टार्स बहुत ही बढ़िया कंपनी पूरे यूएसए की है, जो काफ़ी यंगस्टरों को भी मौका देते हैं और टीवी के माध्यम से काफ़ी सभी न्यूज़ देते हैं. And last but not the least, I have the pleasure and privilege in introducing to you one and the only most outstanding, beautiful, multi-talented actress, Jeenal Pandya.
Thank you, Bharatji. Thank you, everybody. That's so sweet of you, Bharatji.
Okay, thank you. So I'll let Bharatji and Vedji go. Thank you so much, all of you. Not all of you. Jeenal, you stay. We'll talk. We'll have a
Pleasure.
nice.
I am
Pleasure
here.
is ours.
Okay, Jeenal. So welcome. It's my pleasure to interview you. You are joining us straight from Amchi, Mumbai, India, and thank you so much for taking out time for us. And you are looking very, very, very pretty.
Thank you, Namita. The pleasure is all mine. Every year I am there celebrating with people in US, but yeah, this year situation is different, but it's still a good way to connect to people. So I'm so very privileged that you gave me this opportunity along with Vedji and Bharatji. that we
Yeah.
can connect sitting here in
Yeah,
Mumbai.
I've heard that you've come here like 18 times to the US. इतना तो हम नहीं आए कभी US में.
Yeah, it is. I mean, half of the time I'm there, and I just love being there, love people. In fact, I've been to Atlanta also once. I've traveled most of US. कुछ जगह बच गई है, बाकी सब मैं travel कर चुकी हूँ. So it's all love and affection that I get there. I think people are lovely there.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let's talk about your professional life. अब हो गया, personal life. So when did you decide to become a model? You knew yourself that, since I look so good, I have an attitude. I think I should be a model and this is my calling. Or someone like sitting in a room suggested you should be a model, like a filmy scene. So how did it all start?
Somebody else suggested me, why don't you try into acting, not modeling, because I started with films first. Yeah, so it was like my friend's suggestion. I was trying and doing air hostess ka thing. So then he just comes up to me and says, "Tujhe waiter hi banna hai kya?"
Oh.
So yeah, I thought, like, say, to a certain extent, you do feel like that. So then, yeah, I switched. Okay, let's give it a try, and then it worked. So it was never turning back again.
Okay, so from air hostess, you became an actress and then you became a model, right?
Yes, yes.
How did that thing happen with you?
That happened because when I was doing my South film, I was just checking the news and stuff, and I got to know that Madhur Bhandarkar and Vipul Shah were associated with Femina Miss India to take one girl each for their upcoming movie as main lead. So now the thing is, like here producers get, like, they meet girls, so many of them, and we were just like 18 that time. So for me, coming out of 18, was a good chance, na? So I said, why not try? And with them, they thought she's already doing a movie, so why not we take her? So I didn't go for that rounds either. I went straight away for my finals and I was selected, and that's how I was in like top 5 and I was India.
Moving forward, this is this huge launch of Amrapali. You were coming in this buggy and everyone is, applauding for you. And I've heard that Sanjay Dutt, acted.
That was the scariest part.
And also Amrapali,
Yes.
subject itself, it's a very nice subject, and I think as an audience I would like to see a movie on Amrapali. What happened to that movie and why is it not out as yet?
After the launch, we started shooting. We have completed 2 schedules of it. Like the shooting part, we've completed another 2 songs. Being the main lead, I have another 2 more to go. So, and then we had issues with, because Sanjay Dutt is there, so then we had issues with his dates, and now his health is also not doing good. So there is this date issue, and to top it off, we have a lot of VFX work in this movie. So it's going to be taking a lot of time with like huge star cast. It's very difficult to manage every star and, getting one particular date for everybody. So we're hoping that next year everything should be fine.
So Sanjay Dutt part is over or it's still to be done? I mean,
It's still left, yeah, it's still left. Because he was doing 3 films at that time along with this. So for him to also, manage with, like after he came out, he had all things lined up and stuff. So yeah, it came on overlapping because of his health also. We, managed little here, little there.
okay.
But that's it. But yeah, I think he's a very fine guy. He can do it well.
So what part was he playing?
He's playing Ajat Shatru, the one that his father played.
Oh, okay, great. So we will definitely wait for that movie to come out and your rest of the movies. Tell us something about your future projects. What are you up to?
Right now, I am doing one South Indian movie again, which we are gonna be. We started shooting, but we were to start again. My schedule was in November because of this COVID. We have postponed it. maybe by next year we should be starting to shoot. So that is there. And then there's another Hindi film that will be starting next year. So yeah, I have 2 things lined up. Hopefully by year end, both of them will be releasing soon.
Okay, and what's that Hindi movie? We just wanted to know, if you can share.
It's a rom-com, like full-on masala Hindi movie. It's fun to watch with family. So we are doing it, and we've not decided on the name yet. But yeah, it's a big star cast.
तो आप बताएंगे नहीं, मतलब आप गोल गोल घुमा रही है हमें.
हाँ, क्योंकि कुछ चीजें नहीं बता पाते. हमारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा होता है.
You're not allowed to say.
Yeah, like they want कि first वो बार करे फिर हम बोले. So yeah, that's always there.
Okay, so we wish you all the best for your future projects. It's actually looking very bright for you, and you know, I won't take much of your time. So just last question, how are you celebrating your Diwali? Because this is a COVID special Diwali, right? We are facing these difficult times, and we are all celebrating a COVID special Diwali. So how are you celebrating that?
Firstly, this year there are no crackers, nothing. But this COVID special Diwali is going to be special because I'm going to be spending time with my family, assisting them in at least not cooking, but managing things.
Right.
And making sweets and rangoli. जो चीज़ हम normally नहीं कर सकते थे, वो सारा कुछ होता. I'm going to be utilizing this Diwali, and I'm going to be spending this precious time with my family.
And I would also like to thank Bharat Guradia ji, जो हमें न्यूयॉर्क से join in किए. Thank you so much, and Ved ji. But जाते जाते Jeena, I just wanted to ask you one thing, that you are a huge brand ambassador here in America of Independence Day, और आप you know Grand Marshal रही हैं for 6 states. Nobody has ever done it. So how does it feel?
Feels great because USA में when I come to Independence Day parade or any celebration regarding Independence Day, I feel like ये इतने प्यार से मनाते हैं ना जितना इंडिया में भी लोग नहीं मनाते.
Right.
So when I'm there, I can feel people, you know, with that joy, एक खुशी जो उनके फेस पे होती है. और जब आप ग्रैंड मार्शल की तरफ से वॉक करते हो, and the way they just love to see you, they come to visit you. And yeah, it's all in their heart. और वो इतना ज़्यादा प्यार होता है ना कि मैं हमेशा भरत जी को भी यही कहती हूँ कि I am so very privileged कि मुझे इंडिया से बाहर रह के भी I can feel like I am in India celebrating with all my people back in India. I feel so welcomed and so homely back there. So I just love being there. So thank you once again Bharat ji for giving us that opportunity every year. इस साल नहीं आए but नेक्स्ट ईयर वापस एक और स्टेट होंगे.
और वो अटलांटा में होएगा और वेद भाटिया जी करेंगे. It's a great privilege to celebrate India's Independence Day celebration in Atlanta, one of the finest city of USA, and that to invite one of the most outstanding, beautiful baby from Bollywood and representing India away from India. It's a great honor for all of us, including Ved Bhatia ji.
It is.
And we are giving, you know, from US a happy Diwali wish via you to India. Thank you so much for joining.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. The pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much, Vedji. Thank you, Bharat. Thanks, Namrata. Thank you. Hi, this is Tina Pandya. हमारी तरफ से बद्दा 2020 चारना viewers ने दिवाली की खूब शुभेच्छा અને આવી રીતે જ મનાવજો દિવાળી દિલથી. This is Tina Pandya. You can find all kind of gems, stones, beads, pearls, jewelry, all at affordable rates and under one roof at Beats After Beats.
That's all in this bulletin. If you liked it, please take out few moments to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our future bulletins. You can also watch this bulletin on timestars.com. Till next week, take care of yourself, and I wish you all again a very, very happy and safe Diwali. This is your host Namrata signing off.